The environmentally friendly Plus range from Ciranova needs to be seen to be believed. It's bio-based and water-based oil, non-yellowing, has low VOCs and can be used on sanded, planed and brushed wood, and has anti-slip properties and will give the ultimate invisible finish. The wood will look totally untreated, but in fact has a rock-solid scratch and stain resistant coating. Make sure the surface being treated is clean, dry and free from dust, dirt or any other surface contaminants. If the job is a restoration, old finish coats must be completely removed. Sand using the correct method, so deep sanding with a 60 to 80 grit, then finishing off with 100 to 120 grit. Stir thoroughly before use and do not dilute. Always do a test area before starting any project to check product suitability and that you're happy with the final finish and colour. You'll be doing 3 coats in total. When applying to a floor, go in sections, first working on the edges with a brush, and then covering the section with a roller. A short to medium pile roller is recommended for a smooth, even finish. Work in the direction of the wood, letting the roller do the work. No need to apply too much pressure, just keep an eye out for any missed areas and keep the roller well loaded with Ecofix Plus. Under normal temperatures, after 4 to 6 hours, you'll be able to apply a second coat in the same way as the first. Now let it dry for 12 to 24 hours before giving the area an intermediate sanding using a grit of 80 to 220. Then apply the third coat. And look at that! After all that great work you did, it still looks exactly like the untreated floor. The difference being, you know it's now fully protected for years to come. Your floor will be able to take light traffic after 24 hours and will be fully cured in 7 days. As always, if you need further help, the wood care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.